Hello everyone. This is topic pharmacology. What is this pharmacology? Pharmacology meaning study of drug. Drug of the study in pharmacology. Pharmacology introduction. Pharmacology. The science deals with the drugs and their action of human body and animals. Pharmacology study of the drugs. The science deals with the drugs and their action of the human body and the animals. Pharmacokinetics. The study of the absorption, distribution, metabolism and the excretion of drug. Pharmacodynamics. The study of the mechanism. Pharmacodynamics meaning the study of the mechanism of the action of drug. And pharmacological effect produced on the human body. Toxicology. The science deals with the poisons. The science deals with the poison. Placebo. Placebo are the inherent disease having no concern with the treatment. Pharmacognosy. It deals with the identification, collection of the parts of plants, root, stem, leaves, etc. for drug derived from plants and the animals. Pharmacy concerned with the collection, preparation, manufacturing and the standardization or the of drug. For uses of the humans and the animals related to treatment and care. For use of human and animal related treatment and care. Human animal related care. Pharmacopoeia. The pharmacopoeia is the government official book which describes the standards of drugs. Test for identification, potency to be maintained strictly. Nursing aspects. The role of nurse in administration of drug. Role of nurse administration drug. Does care to be the take of patient and to be advise patient what to do what not do. Nursing assesses role of nurse in patient care of drug, time to time intake of patient. Definitions. Pharmacology is the science which deals with the drug and their action of human body or animals. Pharmacology is the science which deals with the drug and their action of human body and animals. The word pharmacology has been derived from the Greek word pharmakon, which means drugs, and wax means the treatment, testes or the treat. Example: to give medical treatment, especially treatment of especially. The word drug means a chemical substance. The word drug means the chemical substance used in the prevention for the diagnosis, treatment or care of the disease in human being or the animals. The word pharmacology has its origin only About 100 years ago, earlier it was known as material medica pharmacology, the science which deals with the response of living organism to the chemical stimuli. The pharmacology for medical point of the view. Pharmacology for medical from medical point of view can be further derived into pharmacokinetics and the pharmaconomics actions therapeutically. This is study of pharmacology in drug and the role of nurse in administration in drug. Thank you guys.